welcome back to the El Dorado channel, the channel that teaches you the technical analysis and the educational content videos based on the stocks and the index, mainly the Nifty and Nifty 200 stocks. Moving on directly to the content. Yesterday we tried a trade in Nifty 50, only the paper trading, and it hit the target, exact target. The trade, I will explain the trade. That is here the 5 minutes opening range here. Okay, 5 minutes opening range here, and here there is a support which will act as a resistance later. So I just marked that, and whenever the Nifty break the 5 minute opening range, then I put a trade only on the paper trade. Okay, I put a trade on that area, that price, and it took the trade easily and go back up to the level of resistance just a millimeter or three or five points, and it came back and gave the target exactly at the time of 3:10, 3 o'clock at the end of the session. And why I put this as a target means going back to the area here, there was the previous support area which will act as a support again and go back. So I already marked this level and make sure that my target will be there. So it was a good trade, and our analysis are going perfectly nowadays, despite of some quick moments because of the war. So come on, we can directly go to the stocks. First stock is Federal Bank. Yes, remove. Okay, I just analyzed a trade on the January 26th. It actually hit the target, but it's on the March. I should wait up to March. Just only paper trade, so no problem. We can wait. Overall trend, overall trend is uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, then consolidation over here. So we are going to analyze. It's an uptrend, and there is a consolidation. Maybe because of the war, and it's something resistance, short-term resistance there, and here there was a support here. There was a support here. Okay, here we have it is in the breakout area, the resistance area. One, two, three, four times it's tried. So whenever it breaks the 300 region, we will go for a long trade here, 14%. So I will prefer 12 percentage here target, and below this area, this candle, below this candle I put a stop loss. So in the Federal Bank, the entry price will be 300 and the target price will be 337 and the stop loss will be 277. Okay, it will be a possible trade. I like this. Okay, next one is the FPCT, Fertilizers and Chemical Travancore Limited. Already it gave so much profit in the FACT. I like this because it will give a huge momentum trade. Actually, it is in the higher, lower, high, low, lower, high, low, low. It is in the consolidation and downtrend. Okay, it is in the middle of a pattern, parallel channel. So I'm just not considering this because it is neither on the resistance nor on the support. So we will wait for some period, maybe 3 or 4, 5 months to come down or breakout. So we're leaving the FACT. We are only trading. We are only focusing on the resistance and the support only because it will give the more probability as of my experience. Okay. So we are leaving the FACT stock and we're going to GMR airports. Okay. Remove the trade previous. Actually, it was in uptrend and go come back for a support region, previously resistance and go back again for the resistance, come back. Usual. So from here, it was an uptrend. There was a resistance over here. Then it came back, took a support here. It's in the range right now. And let's assume how much 10 percentage of movement should be there. So we have to wait up to this resistance break because we are always trading on the breakout area. So 12 percentage. Usually I got the 12 percentage data, right? Not intentionally because I just analyzed the previous moments. So I just, okay, the entry price may should be 109, the exit will be 123, and the stop loss will be 98. Here also there is no immediate trade. So we have to wait for the analysis will work or not. We shall have to wait for that. Okay, moving on to the next one, Godrej Consumer Products. Godrej Consumer Products, they are already analysis. There was a loss there. Now mind, they actually in a uptrend and come back and downtrend and in a consolidation, right? Actually, it came in consolidation. It came back to support, gave a pullback and come back. So it is in the downtrend. So we are not considering. And also the result was in the red. So we are not considering this. Maybe it will go up to this area and we will trade here. If you should wait for that, we will trade here and this will be a trade. Let's wait for that. There is no opportunity for today, right? Coverage properties limited. It gave a earlier. It gave a nice profit here. Net downtrend gave a pullback again, broken the low. Gave a pullback after the next resistance. Again, come back support and took the and it is in the resistance. Supporting it is in the resistance of suppose if so it is in the resistance. If it is broken, the resistance again, we can go up to here this area around 18 percentage. No, around this area like this 14 percentage. So it's good. Okay, so the entry price will be 1934. The target will be 2179 and the stop loss will be 1750. That's it. It's good on. We analyzed the five stocks. So Federal Bank and the Godrej Properties. I like the setup of only on these two stocks. If you go to Nifty quickly, actually it is in a range because of the um, war. So we have to wait for a flow of funds into the market, both FIA and DIA. So we have to wait for a free flow. So that's all today. We are going to watch the market. It is 9:05. So we are going to watch the market and analyze and try to learn something more every day. So bye bye guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.